morning, everybody. DX here. It is Friday, August 5th, about 8:30 in the morning. I'm on my way to the bank before I go to work, and this is gonna be just a very quick video response to Oki Honda Girl, for those who don't know, video regarding accents. Now this is gonna be a very funny video because obviously I'm Greek, so I have a huge Greek accent. Sometimes I don't even understand myself, but I just thought to reply to this video so we can all have a good laugh. Yes, you guys can laugh on my behalf. So basically this video is only going to be for entertainment purposes. I'm gonna follow the Phobos technique. I'm going to find a place in this parking lot, and I'm going to read the I have a list with me with all the words. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, I have the list here with me, so let's do this. Be ready for a lot of laughs. Here I go. Roll, comfortable, orange, both, tour, toilet, sure, Nevada, roof, chocolate, root, drawer, coupon, ramen noodles, pecan, caramel, milk, again, Caribbean, wash, New Orleans, crayon, envelope, coffee, Reese's Pieces, and data. So there you go. Hope you guys like it, had a good laugh, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.